Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. Again, we're showing you items that have come in and out of the shop. But before we talk about this, please visit our site, mumfordrestoration.com, or our YouTube channel, and find out what you can restore. Ask our team how we can help you. This is a small horse that we got from a customer, and it came to us with a broken off tail, with two of the legs broken off, with the neck broken, and with glitter and pieces stuck to it with epoxy. So what we've done is cleaned and waxed and obviously repaired and epoxied and touch up the seams between where it was broken, and then glazed those with wax and color, and then we built a base for it. So we built just a yellow pine base, made it a little darker to pick up the darkest area, and then finished it to match so that it looks pretty cool. So take a look at those before pictures. I think this is a cool little project. We've done many carousel horses over the years, but this is a miniature. Thanks for watching.